how to get Minecraft font in Roblox mobile. Now this is going to be the quickest and the straightforward method of doing this. So first things first is open up any available or your preferred web browser that you have on your device. Now what you want to search in is simply type in Minecraft font TTF, and you can choose your trusted sources right here, but on this video you can go ahead and choose on the very first result. And here just simply zoom out a bit, and the right portion of your screen you can go ahead and tap on download, and it will automatically start. So once you've downloaded a file, what you want to do next is just to access that specific download that you initiated. Now tap on the three dots, and then in here you're just gonna go ahead and simply extract the specific folder into your Roblox folder. To access it, to simply use your file manager that you have on your device or use the archiver. So that's the quickest way of getting Minecraft font in Roblox mobile.